Welcome to Learn Decoded TV, where we get smart about learning and discuss ways to help your child thrive. Today is What's on Your Mind Wednesday, where we tackle your education-related questions. Our question today comes from Joanna, who writes, Dear Heather, it's only been 2 weeks into the school year and already I am frazzled. My 6-year-old hates his teacher, my 9-year-old is totally confused in math, and my 11-year-old is being bullied. I'm pretty overwhelmed and I am hoping to get advice on all of these headaches. Please help, Joanna. Joanna, I'm going to give you a bullet point for each problem that you have and then a few extra little suggestions for yourself. For your 6-year-old, be sure to reassure him or her that teachers get a lot nicer as the school year goes on. There's a joke that teachers don't smile until Christmas, and that's because it's a lot easier to start the school year strict and get nicer as the year goes on than to do the opposite. So there's a good chance your child's teacher may be a lot nicer in a few more weeks. For your 9-year-old, try sitting down and doing homework next to or with your 9-year-old and help him or her and make some observations and then talk to the teacher about any problems that your child is having in math, anything that he or she is not understanding, etc. For your 11-year-old, bullying is a pretty serious deal. I'm sure you know that, which is causing you a lot of stress. Definitely contact your child's teacher and anyone else at the school. If you feel that you are not being heard or that there is no action being taken, move up the food chain until someone does something. Now, Joanna, about yourself. You have touched on something that happens to a lot of us moms and dads and teachers and other caregivers. It's called compassion fatigue. And it's where those of us that give and nurture others, we really feel taxed and depleted when we take on everyone else's problems. As a mother, of course, you kind of have to because you are your child's advocate. So my suggestion is to take some time and think about ways that you can recharge. Think of activities that really help you relax, help you put aside all of your headaches and hassles. Some of those things that you enjoy doing may not be practical, so maybe taking 2 months off to go to the Bahamas may not really be on the agenda. That's okay. Just make a short list, come back to it a day or two later, maybe when you're less emotional, and pick out 1 or 2 things that are actually practical that you could actually do, and try to fit those in your schedule to help yourself deal with the stress as well. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like it, share it, leave a comment, and head over to learndecoded.tv to sign up for our weekly newsletter.